Good morning guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're doing something new, subtopic. Try to do vlog for our installation door to door record. With that you see what weekly job scope that we are doing. Today I'm sitting on my colleague's car Saga with the baby seat, but of course not me. Anyway, let me show you how we are stopped. Let's check the stock. Open the boot. I'm not sure can you see me? Okay. Let me flip the camera first. Okay. Today install is X70 power tailgate. We stand by all the tools and 2 power tailgate and the rail light. Later we see what inside. Okay, let's continue our drive. It is too dark, not sure. We start our journey to Tailgate, and second station will be Putrajaya. See you guys. Yes, after a half an hour drive from Subang Jaya to Tailgate, finally we reach customer house for the installation. Tailgate is considered a very silent area. Cannot see anything here, never mind. Later we'll let you see how we have progress of installation. We are safe. Which our first vlog, hopefully it's good. So this is customer house. Our teammate. Let's rock and roll for the X70. Took 1.5 hours to finish X70 power boot. Final touch up. After this, we go to Putrajaya for the second X70 installation power boot. Everything success. No any meow meow.
Proton meow meow.
Dia tukar ini lock.
Boleh kecil sikit.
Lurus. Tak ada motor ni. Ini tukar ni. Ini tukar ini.
谁给我？
Hello， 大家好，我们今天来到龙溪装 Auto Boot， 这个就是瑞安，我们的老板，请记得
请说嘛。
subscribe 我们的频道，耶！
我这一巴掌打死你。
对了，这个拿来幕后花絮啊。
Shake your bum bum, 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 shake your bum.
很赶哦你。Good， 很赶 ，Good。
One eternity later.
Well done. Job done. Whatever is done. Continue our trip. First we're gonna to go to makan first. But makan should be. Let's see the shop, is it open? Later try to snapshot something for you. If God. Let's see.
2,000 years later.
We arrive.
Yes.
We arrive.
手快多啊！
Seems that got open. We're gonna eat prawn. Hopefully they got stock. Thank you. 盛記海鮮飯店。Let's eat. Thank you, big prawn. Okay, not bad. Later we test the taste. Happy food.
你要習慣。
We continue our trip to Putrajaya for activity. Yes, we arrived. Putrajaya Persin 17 for the next X70 power tailgate installation. Here's our target. Target for CBU Premium. Also got side step. Nothing special. Alright. We are waiting for owner to come down and then give us a key and then we can start proceed another one hour job. After 1 hour job, we update more on next status. New project, Persona Executive, Persona Standard convert to Persona Premium. Tak payah 1,500, 300 boleh settle. Jangan percaya gosip-gosip.
No network connection.
Tak boleh pakai punya. Kita guna ini USB. Apa USB ni benda ah?
Nak kau ah.
Tak boleh pakai.
Wah, 这是ada
So mau charge tak boleh charge.
不错嘛。
Don't know how.
跟你讲后面的东西。
Tak boleh charge.
你没有你转出去，
Cannot charge.